And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking north on 13th Street North. What a day this was, even with the wind. It really felt like spring, kind of leaning into summer temperatures. It was just gorgeous. 21 degrees is where we're at right now. That is our daytime high. We've been there since 3 p.m. -2 was our low, and we achieved that at 6 a.m. this morning. So when you see the orange coloring, you know that that indicates the warmer temperatures, of course, and a lot of areas picking up those milder temperatures. 21 degrees right now in Medicine Hat. Same here in Lethbridge, even in Pincher Creek, looking at 17 degrees. Across the Continental Divide, not bad, 19 degrees in Cranbrook right now. And yes, if you're wondering, did any temperatures get broken? Well, there was several more than this, but this is just our area picking up what we deem important to us here as far as record highs go. There you go for southern Alberta. A lot of areas there that aren't on that chart that actually got very close or tied with their record values too. So there was a lot of warmth there today, and it's going away for a while. So I hope you got a chance to get out in your lunch break and enjoy the sunshine. An area of high pressure is what kept us in those sunny conditions, and of course the flow was out of the west-southwest at times, and that ushered in that additional push of warm air. But you can see just by looking at that satellite map that there is active weather around us. It is eventually going to be collapsing down on us. So we're already starting to see radar picking up some light scattered shower activity along the Alberta-Saskatchewan border, and we're going to see that continue into the overnight hours tonight. We'll start to see those rain showers forming to the north. That's going to be collapsing further south, and there is an influence of a westerly system, a low pressure center that's making its way across the border as well. So when those two systems combined, and we talked about that yesterday, that's where for the next few days we're going to have a very unstable air mass. We're going to have some showers. Starting tomorrow, we could see some showers mixed with some snow flurries as well. And then, you know, for the next few days, it's going to be up and down, folks. So we'll just keep an eye on those systems happening. 1 degree in St. John's right now. We're looking at some snow squall warnings and watches still out for the eastern half of the country. Rather, we talked about this yesterday. The open water areas, Georgian Bay, around the Great Lakes, and then the St. Lawrence Seaway, expecting strong winds, and that of course creates high wave values. -5 in Winnipeg right now, -3 in Regina, +1 in Saskatoon, 7 degrees in Edmonton. Very warm. 19 in Kelowna, and then on the coast in Vancouver, warm temperatures but cloudy skies today. And Whitehorse and Yellowknife both saw a good helping of sunshine this afternoon. So regional forecast for East Kootenay, you're looking at partly cloudy skies tonight with that chance of shower activity. Tomorrow, a sun and cloud mix with showers in the afternoon and the evening hours expected for you, but very mild temperatures. Crow's Nest Pass, mainly cloudy tonight. Tomorrow, periods of rain mixed with periods of flurries or light snow as the day progresses. 2 degrees for a daytime high. For Medicine Hat, partly cloudy tonight, partly cloudy tomorrow with a chance of showers for you. 7 degrees for a daytime high, and your winds will be gusty out of the north. And here in Lethbridge, we're looking at 1 degree for an overnight low, partly cloudy. Winds will still be with us tonight, and then morning flurries, afternoon rain showers is what we have to look forward to tomorrow as those low pressure centers combine and collide into southern Alberta. Temperature-wise, though, we go from 4 degrees tomorrow back up to 13. We get a little push, wind direction changes for one day for Thursday. So we pick up some warm air, and then we're back to a northerly flow as we get into Friday. Saturday and Sunday, we have a chance of seeing some precipitation as well. So as Jackie and I were going to be saying in the 2 box, which didn't happen, but if we were chatting, we were going to say it was all seasons this week, and that's pretty much what it is. Now, there are leash laws. Now, I had someone that called me and said, can you remind people that in residential areas in the city of Lethbridge, you have to have your dog on a leash if you're walking it. Now, there are off-leash areas that are provided by the city of Lethbridge, and that's a perfect place to let your dog have fun and roam and play without being tethered. But in the neighborhoods, you have to have your dog on a leash, and that's our Focus on Safety message for this week. Have a good evening, everyone.